Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular compact hatchbacks on the road, the Suzuki Wagon R. Whether you're considering this car for your daily commute, a budget-friendly family car, or even a ride for city driving, we've got all the details you need. Stick around as we break down its design, features, engine, performance, and overall value for money. First things first, let's talk about design. The Wagon R has a signature tallboy design, which means extra headroom and a boxy, practical shape. The latest model features a more refined front grille, sleek headlamps, and a modern bumper design that adds to its appeal. Depending on the variant, you get halogen headlamps, body-colored ORVMs, and alloy or steel wheels. Despite its compact size, this car has a tall and wide stance, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces while maximizing cabin space. Interior and comfort. Moving inside, the Wagon R is surprisingly spacious and airy. The tallboy stance means extra headroom, and the legroom is also quite decent for a compact hatchback. The dashboard is simple yet functional, featuring a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system in higher trims, compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The seats are comfortable, though basic, with fabric upholstery. The rear seats come with a 60/40 split folding option, allowing you to expand cargo space when needed. It's a practical choice for small families or city drivers looking for affordability and convenience. Engine and performance. Now, let us get into the heart of the Wagon R, the engine options and performance. This car comes with two engine options. Both engines are paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 5-speed AMT auto gear shift. In terms of fuel efficiency, the 1.0L engine gives around 21 to 23 km/h, while the 1.2L version offers about 20 km/h, making it one of the most fuel-efficient hatchbacks in its segment. Thanks to its lightweight structure, the Wagon R feels nimble and easy to drive, perfect for city commuting. On the road, the Wagon R is smooth and comfortable for daily use. It's not the most powerful car, but it does the job well for urban driving. The steering is light and easy to handle, making parking a breeze. However, at higher speeds, it does feel a bit floaty, so it's best suited for city roads rather than long highway drives. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, meaning bumps and potholes are handled decently. Now, let us talk about safety. The Wagon R comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-strength platform to enhance crash safety. Higher variants also offer a rear-view camera and fog lamps for better visibility. While it may not be the safest car in the market, it does offer decent protection for daily city driving. So, should you buy the Suzuki Wagon R? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, fuel-efficient, and practical hatchback for city driving, it's a great option. It's not the most powerful or premium car, but for the price, it delivers exactly what it promises: a no-nonsense, reliable commuter. Let us know in the comments, would you consider buying the Wagon R? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews.